Calculating age manually is a headache. You have to check the year, the month, the day. Stop doing math. Use the secret function. Type equals DATEDIF. Notice Google does not show any tooltip. It is hidden, but it works. First argument, the start date, comma. Second, the end date. Let's use the today function so it stays dynamic, comma. Third, the unit. Type quote y, quote, for years. Enter. It calculates the exact age instantly. But a number alone is boring. Let's add the word years. Add an ampersand and quote years, quote. Now it looks perfect. What if you need to know the total days? Just change the unit y to d and change the text to days. Enter. Wow, 14,888 days. You can also use m for total months. It is super flexible. Subscribe for more secrets.